Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to the Golden Impact. It's a new setup. It's a new look, right? What's going on? Let's find out. We missed you all so much. The event was such a success. We are really grateful yet appreciative of everyone who came out, everyone who reached out, everyone who contributed, everyone who donated. It was really something special, and I think we're going to go on a yearly basis. I think we're going to do it once a year, every year, make our way to the Golden Gala. Drop some comments if you want to see a Golden Gala in the near future, because I couldn't believe how much fun the event was, how exciting it was, how great it was to be in the same space with people with like minds, like passions, respect, professionalism, yet still having the best time that we could. Because listen, we're here today to talk about the Golden 360, as we couldn't get into it as much as we wanted to at the event because most of us couldn't stand up. Let's just be quite frankly honest about what happened. So today we're gonna learn how to use the 360 photo booth. And so this is for all our subscribers, our viewers. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We do showcase and broadcast other small business owners, other entrepreneurs. So if you are one of them and you want to join on the channel, guys, definitely reach out to us on Instagram as well as our email. But other than that, let's get into why we're here. So, how to use the 360 photo booth. Let's really talk about it, okay? So, the 360 photo booth is something that is very new, very exciting. Today we've set ours up, and that's what we're on now, the Golden 360. And so what it is it's a photo booth that you stand upon, right? So let me show y'all how we get into it. You stand on it, and basically the video, the camera, the iPad, the iPhone, it goes around. For those that have, y'all know how it is. For those that don't or have seen it at an event, this is our baby, the Golden 360, 360 degrees, beautifully made. You are golden. You're on the Golden 360. I don't know what your 360 photo booths are called or if you've ever experienced any, but the Golden 360 gives you golden moments. So, we have a special guest in the building. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kim, co-owner of Jen Skin and owner of Jen Skin Spa. And, I'm about to get on the 360 for y'all. I'm about to show y'all how to use this.
Yes. Okay, so for to start, y'all know we love to wipe our feet. Just wipe your feet off a little bit. We don't never want to step on the golden fob where, you feel me, dust and dirt, you feel me? So then you just want to lightly put the right foot, left foot saw, and just climb up a board. Look at that. Ready for the golden moment already. Everybody needs to know how to use a 360. Why? Because it's flawless. Okay? So if you're lucky enough, you'll have Ruby, a lovely hospitality attendant. Hi, how's it going? But in other words, this is how we get down, okay? You're going to stand so. You're going to place your weight evenly distributed. Okay? You're not going to be all the way to the right. Lean in. You're not going to be all the way to the left. Lean in. Okay, you're going to be right in the middle, getting ready, razzle-dazzled, to be the center of attention. Then, if you have an automatic or even a manual, doesn't matter, either or, just know that you need to be prepared. You need to be ready. But your eyes need to focus, whether it's a phone, iPad, or camera, or even GoPro. It needs to be focused here. So as I'm spinning, you want to be able to catch it. And look. So what our lovely guest is doing, that's not what you want to do, right? Okay. So that's why we need this video to show you how to do it. This is how it should be done. So as it goes, our lovely co-owner, Kim, is going to keep watching until she can't anymore. And then once she sees that she can't turn without moving her feet, she's going to wait for it to come back on the other side and catch it over here. Wow. Did y'all see that? I think we should do it again. Okay. So as the lovely hospitality attendant, whoever you have, of course, the pleasure of Ruby is all mine. As they spin it, you want to follow it with your eyes, but not with your feet. and then catch it when it comes back around and know that it is giving every angle it needs to give. I love it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure y'all know everybody loves the money. The money pop is where it is. So we're going to give sis, that's about over, a few grand. And we're just going to lightly and politely tell her when, how, and why she should throw it at a certain time. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's spinning and she's throwing. She's throwing it now because that's the way it's supposed to be done. And if you take a look at the video, you'll see that the money was thrown at the exact time it should have been.
I'm saying you fuck niggas. You fuck with them, you trust niggas. In other words, say you a fuck nigga. Hey yo, what? Pack my rose gray in the blunt nigga. You bitch in the back like a nuts nigga. Looking at you like damn, what's up with you? It is Glock, it gon' rise after ride. When I slide, that gun hit him between the.
In regards to the actual 360, as it's spinning, you just want to make sure you're seen. You want to make sure whatever you want to showcase is being seen. You want to get every single angle. I'm talking about you don't have to do the selfie with the 360. You're getting all the angles and you barely have to move. But you do have to move in itself. So today we came to you to show you how to use the 360 photo booth.